I always wanted to be a researcher. When I was 18, I was hesitating between physics and medicine. And since I couldn't make up my mind, I took a year off and went to Peru. At that time, I saw for the first time an epileptic seizure that was stopped by the physician with some intramuscular drugs. And this left me with a very strong impression of the power of drugs in medicine. I trained in medicine and in neuroscience in Lausanne, and after that I got my clinical training in neurology in the US, in San Francisco. And epilepsy was really the field that best merged my interests for science and medicine. So epilepsy is a field where novel therapeutics are really needed. Those are young people suffering with a chronic disease, and they suffer for years. The typical diagnosis is made during adolescence. I started the e-lab, a group doing research both in humans and in rodents at the Inselspital. We do basic research with rodents, but we also do research directly with patients. So any discovery that we make at the fundamental level could be translated into a practical application for our patients. We had a breakthrough discovery 2 years ago showing that seizures are not completely random, but that they occur in a cyclical organization over time. And there are times when seizures are likely and times when seizures are unlikely. Research on epilepsy is very important because we don't understand the mechanisms of epilepsy. Someone with epilepsy doesn't know if the next seizure is coming tomorrow or in a month from now. The context in which human or animal data are collected is completely different. So someone could have access to clinical data but not to animal data, and conversely. In my lab, we have a constant conversation back and forth between the people who are doing studies in animals and in humans. Teamwork is extremely important in research, especially in neuroscience that has grown to be such a complex field where no one can really claim he understands everything from the molecular level to the neuronal, to the systems level, and to the computational level. So the topic that you are going to study is maybe not the most important factor, but you really have to find a team that will teach you what you need to know for your PhD and beyond. And you need to get along well with these people. Passion is not a condition for hard work, it's actually the reward of hard work. So fully engage in your PhD and learn. You cannot learn enough. And then you will be fully ready for an academic career and engage it into your own scientific questions that are really at your heart.